ಹಾಯ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಡೆದ KSISF GK ಪೇಪರ್ 2ದು ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಬನ್ನಿ ಗೆಳೆಯರೆ, ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡೈಲಿ ಕ್ವಿಜ್, ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್, ಜಾಬ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್, ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಈ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು PSI ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ PCದು ಮಾಕ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಚಾಂಪಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಪನ್ ಕೋಡ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ₹50 ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ನ ಪಡೆಯಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಗೈಸ್, ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಈ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ನ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, 2 ವರ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಹೂ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಚುನಾವಣಾ ಆಯೋಗ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್? ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, which of the following is not a part of Panchayati Raj system? Right answer is option B, Khap Panchayat. Next question, who is authorized to dissolve the state legislative assembly even before the completion of its term? So right answer is option D, Governor, Rajyapalaru. Next question, who is the chairperson of GST Council? GST ಸಭೆಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಯಾರು? Right answer is option C, Union Finance Minister. Next question, which of the following is not a constitutional body? Right answer is option D, NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. Next question, what is commonly called as CRPC? Right answer is option A, the Code of Criminal Procedure. Next question, which of the following articles of Constitution of India abolishes untouchability? Right answer is Article 17, option A. Next question, India has how many union territories? So right answer is option D, 8 union territories. Next question, the joint session of the parliament is presided by dash? Right answer is option D, Speaker. Next question, security of Kempegowda International Airport is provided by which of the following? So right answer is option D, CISF, Central Industrial Security Force. Next question, in which year was Kannada granted the status of classical language? Right answer is option C, 2008. Next question, which of the following kinds of organism causes malaria? Right answer is option C, protozoa. Next question, coronavirus that causes COVID-19 contains dash? Right answer is option D, RNA. Next question, who of the following was the first person to be awarded Jnanpith Award for Kannada? Right answer is option D, Kuvempu, K. Venkatappa Puttappa. Next question, white blood cells act as dash? Right answer is option A, as a defense against infection. Next question, Tungabhadra is a tributary of dash? Right answer is option C, Krishna. Next question, which of the following is not a port of Karnataka? Right answer is option D, Bekal. Next question, COVID-19 is a dash? So right answer is option B, pandemic. Next friends, 21. So friends, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. Next, 22. Which among the following provides potential energy to an object? Right answer is option B, its position. Next question, which among the following most correctly determines the atomic number of an element? Right answer is option A, number of protons. Next question, which of the following countries does not have a coastline with Arabian Sea? Right answer is option A, Afghanistan. Next question, nail polish remover contains dash? Right answer is option B, acetone. Next question, which of the following metals is mostly used for filaments of electric bulbs? Right answer is option D, tungsten. Next question, black hole is a dash. Right answer is a massive collapsing star. Next question, footwear made of rubber acts as dash. Right answer is option D, insulator. Next question, which one among the following is a primary rock? Right answer is option B, igneous rock. Next question, what is the chemical name of laughing gas? Right answer is option D, nitrous oxide. Next question, isotherms are dash. Right answer is option B, lines on a map joining places which have the same temperature. So right answer is option B. Next question, 1 byte consists of dash. So right answer is option D, 8 bits. Next question, where is Lumbini, the birthplace of Gautam Buddha, located? Right answer is option A, Nepal. Lumbini is located in Nepal. Next question, light travels slower in glass than in air because dash. Right answer is option A, refractive index of air is less than that of glass. Next question, who is the founder of SpaceX? SpaceX na ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಯಾರು? Right answer is option B, Elon Musk. Next question, which is the largest living bird on the earth? Right answer is option B, ostrich. Next question, which of the following crops would be preferred for sowing in order to enrich the soil with nitrogen? Right answer is option D, peanuts. Next question, which of these have historically caused extensive damage to crops? Right answer is option D, locust. Next question, what is shape of an amoeba? Right answer is option D, no definite shape. Next question, Lonar Lake is a dash. So right answer is option B, lake created by an asteroid collision. How many cities are targeted to be covered on the Smart Cities mission in the 5-year period from 2015-16 to 2019-20? Right answer is option C, 100 cities. Next question, which of the following planets has a lesser rotation time than the Earth? Right answer is option A, Jupiter. Next question, Daulat Beg Oldie Airstrip is located in dash. Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Next question, in which city is the wheel and axle plant of Indian Railways located? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru. Next question, dash is a folk dance of Karnataka. Right answer is option A, Bisu Kamsale. Next question, monetary policy in India is formulated by dash. Right answer is option A, the Reserve Bank of India. Next question, for photosynthesis, oxygen is obtained from the breakdown of dash. Right answer is option D, water. Next question, in the cells of living organisms other than nucleus, which of the following organelles contains DNA? Right answer is option D, mitochondria. Next question, which of the following fields is the Dhanvantri Award given? Right answer is option B, medicine. Dhanvantri Award is given in the field of medicine. Next question, George Floyd, whose death led to widespread protest, died in dash. Right answer is option A, USA. Next question, heroin is a product of dash. Right answer is option B, opium poppy. Heroin is a product of opium poppy. Next question, which state of India has the longest coastline? Right answer is option A, Gujarat. Gujarat state of India has the longest coastline. Next question, India celebrates Engineers Day on September 15 to commemorate the birth anniversary of which eminent personality? Right answer is option C, M. Vishweshwaraya. Next question, which among the following movements was not led by Mahatma Gandhi? Right answer is option C, Swadeshi movement. Next question, mist is a result of which of the following? Right answer is option A, condensation. Next question, which of the following international tennis tournament is held on grassroots? Right answer is option B, Wimbledon. Next question, Arihant is the name of dash. Right answer is option D, a nuclear powered submarine. Next question, India is set to begin operations of inland water trade routes with which country? Right answer is option B, Bangladesh. Next question, who was the first Indian to receive doctorate degree in economics from a foreign university? Right answer is option C, B.R. Ambedkar. Next question, Annapurna scheme fulfills the food requirement of dash. Right answer is option A, senior citizens. Next question, friction can be reduced by changing from dash. Right answer is option D, sliding to rolling. Friction can be reduced by changing sliding to rolling motion. Next friends, mental ability. So friends, 63rd ge answer option D, 66,550. Next, 64. So friends, e question ke answer option B, 265. Next, 65. So friends, it ke answer option B, 280. Next, 66. So friends, e question ke answer option C, 4000. Next, 67. So friends, e question ke answer option A, 12. Next, 68. Option C, 1024. Next, 69. So for 69, right answer is option B, 7.2. Next, 70. So friends, e question ke answer option D, 30. Next, 71. So friends, e question ke answer option D, 120. Next, 72. So friends, e question ke answer option B, 22. Next, 73. So friends, e question ke answer option A, 31. Next, 74. So friends, e question ke answer option A, 36. Next, 75. So for 75, right answer is option C, 5. Next, 76. So friends, ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 77. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 88. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 78. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 79. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ 79 ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 80. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ 180 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ 81. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ 5. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 82. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ 40 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 83. ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಮೋಹನ್ ಲೈನ್ demarcates boundary between dash. So right answer is option C, India and China. Next, Arthashastra was authored by dash. Right answer is option B, Kautilya. Next question, which among the following acts was known as Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act 1919? So right answer is option D, Rowlatt Act. Next, Rani Abbakka was the queen of dash. Right answer is option A, Ullal. Next, 87. Consider the following statements. Brahma Samaj was established by Rajaram Mohan Roy. And next statement, Arya Samaj was established by Swami Dayananda Saraswati. So which statement is correct? So right answer is option D. Both of them are correct. Next question, 88. Who was the Governor General of India during the Sepoy Mutiny? Right answer is option A, Lord Canning. Next question, who conducted raid under the banner of Indian Republican Army and established Provisional Revolutionary Government? So right answer is option C, Surya Sen. Next question, the ongoing Kizadi excavation of Sangam period settlement is in dash. Right answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Next, Manku Timmanna Kagga is by dash. So right answer is option D, D.V. Gundappa. Next, Badaga Tittu and Tenku Tittu are the forms of dash. Right answer is option C, Yakshagana. Next, Anubhava Mantapa was started by dash. Right answer is option C, Basvanna. Anubhava Mantapa was started by Basvanna. Next, which of the following is not a writ under Article 32? Right answer is option D, public interest litigation. Next, who determines the salary and allowances of the Chief Minister? So right answer is option B, state legislature. Next, which of the following words has not been written in the preamble of the Indian Constitution? So right answer is option D, Indians. Next question, which of the following is not a part of Karnataka legislature? So right answer is option D, none of these. Next, who was associated with the establishment of Karnataka Vidyavardhaka Sangha? Right answer is option B, R.H. Deshpande. Next, who is authorized to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India? Right answer is option B, Parliament. Last question, the Right to Free and Compulsory Education RTE Act provides free and compulsory education to the children in the age group of dash. Right answer is option C, 6 to 14 years. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು KSISF GK ಪೇಪರ್ 2 ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋಯಿಂದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೀವು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಿಗೋಣ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ.